Hi guys, Ramzan here. Here in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your product page of the Shopify store. This video is specific for publisher theme. If you have any other theme, then you can explore shopwebsitecodes.com. There I have already published a lot of codes with different themes. Now the first step is you should download the code. I have already added the link below in the description. You just need to click on that link and you will be getting a zip file. You should extract it and you will be having these 4 files. Just open documentation.txt and here we have all the steps which we are going to follow in this video. The first step is like go to Shopify dashboard, open themes, click on edit code and click on snippets. So here we have the dashboard of the store. You can see we have publisher theme. Click on these 3 dots, click on duplicate first. Actually you should duplicate the theme so that later on if you have any problem you can restore it back to its original version. Once you are done, then you should click on edit code. Here we have some folders and files. You should click on snippets and in the next step we have to create a new snippet, PayPal-smart-buttons. Copy this name and click on add a new snippet, paste the name and click on done. This will be creating a new empty file where we have to paste the attached code. So we have attached code here. We need to copy this complete code and paste it inside of this and then click on save. Once you are done, then you should go to the next step, which is add below event in quantity input, find quantity underscore input. You just copy this class name and go to sections and scroll it down and go ahead with main-product.liquid, which is this one, and inside of it we have to use Control F or maybe Command F to search quantity input. So actually this is an input element for quantity selector. We are going to paste a new line of code, which is this one, inside of this input element right here, and then click on save the changes. Once you are done, then you should go for 4th step, which is add your live client ID of PayPal in line number 8. We have to go to PayPal-smart-buttons.liquid. In the line number 8, we have added this client ID, that is the sandbox client ID of the PayPal, but you have to use original live client ID of your PayPal account. I have already added a video link in the description. You just need to follow that video and copy the live client ID of your PayPal and paste it right here, and make sure that this client ID should be inside of these double quotes. And you can also change a currency if you want. I have added US dollars. If you have euro, you can use it EUR. If you have any other currency, you can test it right here. And then after, the next step is inspect quantity selector element and get ID and paste it in line number 9. Actually we are adding here the quantity ID which we have to find from the product page. So we are going to the front end. Here we have the catalog. We have to select any specific product, for example, and here we have quantity selector. Right click on it, click on inspect, and it will be automatically highlighting input element. If you don't see this input element, then you should click on this inspector, click on this input element, and here we go. Now you should see here ID. So we have quantity, just double click and it will be highlighted, and you should copy this and paste it right here and then click on save. We have the next step, which is go to assets, click on global.js. So here we have to scroll it down. We have assets, we have global.js, and inside of it we have to find this function. We have this line of code which we need to use, for example. So use Control F or maybe Command F to find this function. Just find this function here. It is already highlighted, so you can see that this function is starting from here and ending at this curly brace. So we are going to paste a new line of code from here. Just copy it and paste it just above this curly brace. Make sure this curly brace should be below this new line of code, and then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then the last step is go to customize product and create a custom HTML section and paste below code. So actually we have to go to the dashboard of the store again. Click on customize, click on this drop down, click on products. We have default product. Here you can see the product information on the right hand side. So we have product information. Click on add block, click on custom liquid, and inside of this box we are going to paste this line of code. Just copy it and paste it right here, and we need to drag this up little bit just below buy buttons. Then click on save. Once the changes are saved, then you can see that PayPal button as well as debit or credit card button is appearing on the right hand side. So sometime people are not interested to keep this buy it now button. So how you can hide it? You should click on buy buttons, uncheck this button, and then click on save. So in that way the buy now button will be removed automatically, and only PayPal button as well as debit credit card button will be appearing. So let's test in the front end how it will look. So this is the mobile view. You can see this is looking more beautiful beautiful. And if you will see the desktop view, this will look like this. So don't worry, I will be updating the latest code. So now the thing is, like, we are interested to test these PayPal buttons, but before that we have to cross check the price, the title, the color variant, the quantity. So for example, right now we have this winter sweater, $30, red color, quantity is 1. Let's click on PayPal button. So I'm going to log into my Sandbox account. So here you can see $30. So you can see quantity is 1, title is winter sweater and red color and $30. So that means information is correct. For example, I'm increasing the quantity, so it should also update. Here we go. Click on this price and you can see 2 quantity, winter sweater, red color, and $60. So that is also perfect. Now we are finally interested to see the color variant. Is it updating or not? Click on PayPal button again and click on this price and you can see black color of the sweater. So that is also updating. So that means this is perfect. So sometimes your customers don't have PayPal account, so they can click on debit or credit card. So in that way they will be seeing here a form where the customers can enter their card details, enter the billing address, shipping address, and then click on pay now button to purchase the product. So that's how your customers will able to use debit or credit card feature. So sometimes you are not interested to keep this yellow button and only interested to keep debit or credit card button. So how you can remove this yellow button? I have already attached the code, which is this one. So copy this complete code from here and replace this existing code. And one more thing is we have to update the quantity as well as client ID. So client ID you can update it, and quantity I'm going to update like this. Right click on it, click on inspect, and here we have input element. We have to copy this ID, we have to paste it right here, and then click on save. And then after we need to refresh this page again. Now you will see that only credit card button will be appearing. Yellow button has been disappeared. Alright, but for now I'm interested to keep both these buttons. So let's undo the changes. Click on save, and then after you should click on refresh, and you will see PayPal yellow button as well as debit or credit card button. If you will see the mobile view, it will look like this. So this is also beautiful. So that's how you can integrate PayPal smart buttons into your product page of the Shopify store. If you have any other theme, then you can actually go to shopwebsitecourse.com. There I already added a lot of different themes code. If you are not finding, then definitely you can ask me in the comment section. I will create a video for you. If you are facing any difficulty, so you can contact me. I will be adding the contact details below in the description. Definitely I will help you to implement this feature. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new on this channel, then please like this video, also subscribe this channel. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.